What the hell is all that racket? I mean, what do we got going on today?
Oh, it's really
So
smoky. I'm running the wrong fuel mixture. I should probably just add some raw gas.
my son just got a new chainsaw. New to him. Needs a little tuning. So that's what we're about to do.
Not bad. Still leaking gas.
That cap no good? We should probably address that first. Alright, well, right now we got a leaking gas cap. Need to figure out why. Where's the original O-ring? My son just swapped out an O-ring, but it is leaking like crazy. You know. I don't know why. It should be the right O-ring. It looks pretty good to me. What's happening? It's got a little burr on the cap, but that wasn't affecting it before. Maybe it was the problem.
Towards you. Yep.
Oh no, it's still leaking. Oh no, it's coming out the top of the tank.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Alright. Now we're chasing a fuel leak.
Is everything on this is SAE?
Alright. I suspect it's this fuel line that's gotten shrunken and hardened. That's going to be the problem. I buy this in bulk because I have a lot of small engines. So the line is pliable. It actually acts as its own seal in the hole. But when they shrink and harden, it loses that seal, then they leak. All right, it's on enough. Tight. Just snaps on. All right.
Couldn't figure out how to get it out. Turns out it's actually really easy. Oh, that's
There
better.
we go. All right, that's fixed. What do we got for adjustment screws here? Boy, there's like no adjustment on these, huh? All right, go out there, give it a rip, get it started. Let's see how it's running right now. Turn it up just a hair because they don't let you have any movement on this. That's what we should be doing right now. That's better. Hang on. I'm gonna call that good. I get to work. All right, we're gonna test out this freshly tuned saw. We're gonna go 22. What size bar is that?
22.
It's a 22-inch bar? He said he sharpened it, huh? Oh, you know what he also did?
Oh no, I did that.
He put the chain on backwards,
Yep.
huh? All right, well, now we've seen what happens when you put a chain on backwards. It doesn't cut. All right, take two. That cuts better with the chain going forward. I don't think that's what they meant by back cut.